Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to get a refund on Shein. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Shein application on your mobile phone, and after opening up the Shein application guys, go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. After logging into your account, you will be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the application where you can see all the items that you can buy. So if you look at the bottom screen right here, you can see all the sections and pages we can access, such as shop. Here we can see our category, the news section, cart, me, and so on. So guys, now what we want to do is go back to the shop page and see how to get a refund. So guys, let's say that you have ordered something on Shein, but now you want to return it and get a refund. So what we have to do is go to the me section right here at the bottom of the page, click on me, and it will now open up this new page where you can see you have multiple sections such as more service, my orders, and so on. So guys, what we want to do guys is go ahead and click on the view all option right here next to my orders. Click on view all, and this will take us to the all orders that we have made. So now if we want to get a refund, what we have to do guys, as you can see I currently have no orders so I cannot show you, but if you have an order right here that you have completed, you can go ahead and open up that order, and in that order is going to appear a button that says return item. So guys, go ahead and click on return item, and after returning the item guys, Shein is going to go ahead and give you a refund to your wallet right here. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how do you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.